Apple has become the first US company to hit a market value of $2 trillion just 2 years after it became the first to reach $1 trillion. Apple shares have gained nearly 60% this year as the company overcame the shutdown of factories in China. The company posted a historically strong third quarter in late July, including $59.7 billion in revenue and double-digit growth in its products and services, thanks to the work-from-home trend. An upcoming 4-for-1 stock split that will make Apple shares more affordable to more investors also sparked a rally after it was announced 3 weeks ago. The company's value soared to more than the GDP of a host of countries including Italy, Brazil, Canada, and Russia.
Popular photo-sharing app Instagram is rolling out a new suggested posts feature that will show posts from people they don't follow at the end of their feed. Up until now, Instagram displayed a "you're all caught up" message after they had scrolled through the recent posts from the accounts they follow. The Facebook-owned app said that these suggestions will be based on posts from accounts similar to the ones users follow and will also include ads. Users can select that they are not interested in suggested posts by heading over to the three-dot menu, but Instagram notes that they can't be disabled altogether. A growing number of users are reporting that Google's email client, Gmail, is not letting them send emails and attach files. Google has confirmed in a tweet that it is currently experiencing a service disruption. Google's app status page further reveals that other G Suite services including Google Drive, Google Docs, and Google Meet have also been affected. Down Detector also showed that the number of complaints have been increasing since around 10 a.m. and that the outage is experienced by people in several parts of the world. Popular music streaming service Spotify experienced a widespread outage across the world, including the US, UK, France, and Korea, affecting music playback. The service was down for about an hour starting at around 5:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time on August 19th and didn't allow users to play any songs longer than a few seconds. It seems India was unaffected by the outage, but reports suggest an important Spotify certificate expired and that the services were restored after its renewal. Twitter has launched its new Transparency Center that allows the general public to easily access things like how many state-backed accounts it has suspended and the number of government information requests. The new website includes all past reports and summaries and country-wise comparison tools, among others. Twitter says this will make it easier for people to compare trends over time. In addition to English, reports will soon be available in Arabic, Turkish, Spanish, German, French, Japanese, and Portuguese. According to market research firm CMR's report, Lenovo continues to lead the tablet market in India with a 48% market share, growing 24% in the June quarter. Lenovo M10 series contributed up to 14% of its market share. Samsung, on the other hand, registered a whopping 143% growth in the same period to register a 29% market share. This was mostly due to the bumper Galaxy Tab A series sales that contributed to a quarter of its market share. Overall, India registered a 23% spike in the shipments of tablets in the second quarter this year. Apple removed Fortnite from its iOS stores last week following a dispute with in-game purchases. But despite that, the widely popular Battle Royale game can still be played on iOS devices for those who have downloaded it at least once in the past. This is because Apple can't forcibly remove a software from your device. To reinstall Fortnite, users need to go to the My Purchases section on the App Store and search Fortnite in My Purchases section. Tapping on the cloud icon will initiate downloading for the nearly 10 GB file. Xiaomi's Redmi has announced that the Redmi 9 smartphone will be coming to India on August 27th. The phone is believed to be a slightly tweaked version of the Redmi 9C that was originally launched in Malaysia back in June. According to the event page, the Redmi 9 is said to come with more RAM and more storage, presumably compared to the Redmi 9C's 2GB RAM, 32GB storage model. Features such as AI dual camera, MIUI 12, and HyperEngine game technology have also been teased. Samsung has announced a new pre-booking offer for the Galaxy Note 20 and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. The company said people who own a smartphone with cracked screens can exchange the device at the time of purchase and get an additional 5,000 rupees off. The upgrade bonus comes with existing pre-booking offers and can be availed by tapping the upgrade banner or icon in the M Galaxy app.